We woke up in Portland with about 24 hours to explore. So after waiting in line for donuts and walking through the Saturday market, we went to one of the city's most beautiful spots. Just 2 miles outside of weird downtown Portland sits a unique garden overlooking the city. The International Rose Test Garden. In 1915, Jesse A. Curry convinced city officials to institute a rose test garden to serve as a safe haven during World War I for hybrid roses grown in Europe. What started as just a small place to preserve roses from bombings has now become over 4 acres and 10,000 roses, including an estimated 650 unique types. The roses bloom from April to October, with the peak being in June, so we made it just in time.